For most of your life, you've had to ask the teacher for permission to go to the toilet. And now you're a man, so you've been pushed and told, go figure your life out. You haven't been taught the things you needed to learn to become a masculine man. You probably don't feel proud of yourself. You probably have a body that you dislike. You probably have some messed up cycles of negative thoughts. You might be addicted to substances. You have low levels of confidence. You struggle to take action. But you've been searching for help. You have been trying to improve all by yourself. You've been setting goals, and although you haven't been achieving the goals, you have been setting them. You have that drive to achieve more than your peers around you. You just need things to click, and then you'll start making major progress. If you resonate with anything I just said, this video is going to make it all click for you.